Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Number is a mathematical object to use to count, measure and label. Number is a mathematical object used to count, measure and label. In the English alphabets A, B, C, D. Other languages also Hindi and Varnamala. So in mathematics only digits are used for to count or measure and label. The digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are digits. So the Indian system or international system, numbers are expressed by means of symbols, mathematical symbols to use measures. Here 0 is a called insignificant digit and the significant digits are 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are called significant digits. In Indo-Arabic system, we use 10 symbols. That numbers are called digits. Numeral. A number is denoted by group of digits is called numeral. That is 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers. For example, 35. The 35 is a 2-digit number. Another example, 475. This is a 3-digit number. 475. 11079. This is the 5-digit number. 11079. Okay, students. We can express a number in two ways, in the numeral or notation. So, numeration, notation. Notation means representation of number in figures is called notation. Expressing a number in words is called numeration. Notation means 35 in the figures, write in the number in the figures, that is called numeration. Notation. Numeration, expressing a number in words, 35 in words 35. For example, 47. 47 in the words 47. So this is the numeration. 47 is the notation. Almost universally used today base 10 numeral system in mathematical operation. This is the decimal system or metric system. In Indo-Arabic system or international system, inverse, only 10 digits used. The 10 digits are 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These 10 digits. This system is called decimal system or metric system. Types of numbers. We know that all counting numbers are called natural numbers. To count natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next one, whole numbers. See here, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers and real numbers. The last one is the complex numbers. Before 6th class, we studied only natural numbers. In the 6th class, first chapter is also natural numbers and introduced these two topics in the 6th class, whole numbers and integers. In the 7th class, introduced rational numbers. In 8th class, introduced these all 4 natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. In the 9th class, the first chapter is introduced irrational numbers. In the irrational numbers, the subtopic is surds. Surds. This is the 9th class. And 10th class, the combined total real numbers. The intermediate, the introduced complex numbers. Okay, students. In the previous class, we discuss these topics. Okay. First, observe here. In the figure, first figure, how many candles? 1, 1, 2, 3. చూడండి here. 1, 2, 3. In the figure, 3 candles. Next, observe the second figures, mangoes. How many mangoes there? 4 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many balloons? 4 balloons. In the how many balls? 3. This one, this figure table 4. Here no. So in the first figure, three candles are same height, same mensurate. Second figure, mangoes, one mango big, one mango small, one medium, one mango is medium. So count is 1, 2, 3, 4. So big or small is different. Only count to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay students, counting. Next one, the last table, only no balls in the table. So write 0. So 0 is not belongs to natural numbers. Natural numbers means only counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 is not belongs to natural numbers. That is introduced whole numbers. First of all, write the definition of natural numbers. All counting numbers are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by n. Natural numbers are n equal to the set of elements 1, 2, 3 and so on. The dots in the end indicate the continuous of these natural numbers indefinitely. So here observe the dots. The dots means the continuous of the numbers. The smallest natural number is 1. The smallest natural number is 1. Next one, the biggest natural number is not defined. The natural numbers are infinite. So the biggest natural number is not defined. Therefore, no largest natural number exists. No largest natural numbers exists. Okay.